Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to BNC Garden Experiments, Homestead, and Bacon.
Bacon.
Welcome to BNC Garden Experiments, Homestead, and Bacon.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Miss C.
It's Mr. B.
And we're back by popular demand. Yes, we're back by popular demand. Not that we're so popular, but we just want to say we did miss you all. We do miss you all. I did miss you all. But different ones have been calling and you know, we're not calling, but have mentioned it to us. They miss us on there. And plus we both work full time, so we just took a kind of a break, and not only that, we just didn't have time. But now, since the fall season and it's cooling off, I will be getting back out in the garden more, which I hadn't stopped in the garden, but it's been so hot. Extreme temperatures up in Alabama, as they say, the deep, dirty South. But we just thank you all for all your encouraging words, and thank all for our subscribers, all those, our family and different ones that support us. We thank you all so much. We wanted to tell you thank you.
And in the near future, we will be getting back to some of the bacon. Hadn't been doing that in a while, but we will get back to that maybe during the holiday seasons. We'll be doing some of the bacon as we have done in the past.
Yes, and Mr. B gonna get back in the kitchen, which he hadn't stopped, but you know, different things. We have a busy schedule between church, work, home, and family. And he just, you know, but one thing he hadn't stopped with his passion. His passion, he loved to bake. He don't bake as much as he used to. He hadn't stopped. He has still been baking, but just not doing videos. And me, myself, I've been in the kitchen. I mean, not in the kitchen, but in the garden, but just hadn't done any videos.
Yes.
But we just thank you all, and we thank you all again for our supporters. We ask that you all stay tuned. And those that don't know us, we're BNC Garden. Mr. B is Mr. Brian, and Miss C is Miss Chanesta. That's my first name. We ask that you all like, subscribe, and share our videos, because we will be coming back, as the topic say, back by popular demand. Thank you all so much.
Thank you. Be blessed.
Bye-bye.